Foreign property sale and UK tax declaration. What is new tax updates in 2025? From 2025 onwards, the UK non-domicile tax system has been abolished.
I have always said that if you make Britain your home, you should pay your taxes here too. So today I can confirm we will abolish the non-dom tax regime and we will remove the outdated concept of domicile from the tax system from April 2025. We will introduce a new residence-based scheme.
A new residency-based tax regime is in place. Typical case study for a Indian property sale and declare tax in UK. UK tax overview of this case study. The seller is a UK citizen and earning basic salary of 35,000. He is a UK basic taxpayer paying 20% tax. By adding foreign capital gain income, he become a higher taxpayer ending with the 40% tax. Details of property sale in India. Sale price is £80,000. Cost price is 30,000. Capital gain profit from India is 50,000. He is eligible for UK tax annual allowance 3,000 and end up with the capital gain tax is 11,280. This is a UK tax overview. Indian tax overview. The seller is a UK citizen and OCA card holder. The seller holds Indian PAN card. All money of 80,000 he deposited to Indian NRO account. The deposit is after deducting 20% of tax, that is 16 lakh. That is 74,000 he deposited to NRO account. When you calculate the actual tax amount to £6,000. That means he received £10,000 from Indian income tax as a refund. He is eligible to transfer £74,000 from his NRO account in India to UK account. UK tax declaration. UK tax due is 11,280. Double taxation relief is eligible. That is equal to Indian tax paid is £6,000. He already paid same income in India, that is £6,000, is eligible to claim from UK. Balance of tax, that is 5,280, he need to pay in the UK. Failure to declare on time will result in 30% penalty, 8.5% interest amount he need to pay on top of the normal UK tax. How to plan and reduce your tax? Use pension investment allowance in the UK. Use UK ISA investment allowance. Use UK EIS investment scheme. Plan with your family investment company. Use UK gift rule. Use UK trust and will trust. There is different kind of tax plan. It depends on individual circumstance. You can plan in advance and reduce your tax in the future.